talk about it.
All right. Once again, when we take like all the sensors out, we take the coil out, and then we need to see if the coil is working good or not. If the coil is great, working or not. Like, show them now. I'm gonna show them.
The car going shake. See, that's the way it shows you the coil is worked. So your coil 100%. Just only what you need to do, you're gonna change the spark plug. Our coils, all of them 100% good. That's why I just show you the easy way to know. So that's the easy way you can check your car coils are good or bad. Here you go.
You can talk to him.
And going to take the spark plug out. Now he's starting taking it out. Here you go. He just twisted, you know, he not fighting it, but he just touching it a little to be controlled straight. If you not make it straight, it's gonna be stripped. If they strip, you fucked up the head cylinder. So you don't want to do that. It's very easy, simple as you just like, if you married, you just make massage to your wife. That's would work like this. So just like you massage your car and you get the spark plug out. So that's the easy thing. If you're not married, I know you have a girlfriend. If somebody not over, if underage, you can't fix the car. I know everybody overage. So like you know how to do for the ladies, do for the car the same thing, because it's like your wife. Every day you ride on it, so, or your girlfriend. Here you go. He get the spark plug out, all of them out, and guys, with a minute we back to you with the new one. He get all of them out, and see you after 5 to 15 minutes.